my god.
Nigga, fuck her, bro. Fuck her, nigga. Fuck that bitch, bro. If she loves you, nigga, fuck her.
Hey guys, it's Love Chanel, and y'all probably just seen the other monkey video, or maybe you're seeing this one first. But yes, I am recording 2 in 1 day because we're getting on and popping with YouTube. Finally. Sorry for the wait. I've been in college stressing, but it's okay. So we're back. We're better than ever, and y'all already see the title. We finna jump into this making myself sound like a man on monkey voice part 2. On monkey. You know what I'm saying? It's in the title. I don't have to explain myself because you get it. Not to mention my Instagram was disabled temporarily. Hopefully it's temporarily. Hopefully I get it back. But it was disabled at 157,000 followers. So if you would be kind enough to kindly follow my new Instagram, it will be linked in the description. Here it is though, right here. And here's my brother's Instagram, whose voice I am using to be a man. Right there. And yeah, we finna just jump right into it. Eli, you know what to do. Eli, you know you're supposed to cover the camera so we can transition. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we're back at it again with the white bands. I'm off the deep end, watch as I die. Oh my god.
Nigga, fuck her, bro. Fuck her, nigga. Fuck that bitch, bro. If she loves you, nigga, fuck her.
Well,
What did you do?
ever.
So when you hit me, I'm gonna be like, so what's up with you?
Yeah.
What was wrong with them?
I don't know.
But,
Oh my god, what's up, man?
Hello, what's good with you? What's up?
What's good, man?
Nothing. I got a question.
What's up?
You like natural females or?
Shit, man, it don't matter. I ain't got no type, man. You look good, though.
All right, so
what's up with you?
Huh?
What's up with you?
Man,
I can't even. No, okay, we're just gonna do it when it starts, and when I tap you, be like, let me get your number. Yes, like, let me get your number. I couldn't even keep a straight face because. No. Huh?
you got cash out?
Anyways. I said mother effer. What? No, what? What? Cringy.
I had
Cringy.
something to say, I ain't gonna say all that.
What's up?
Hey, can I get your number?
What is wrong with you? You're messing
I
up.
thought you-
It's supposed to be let me get your number. Oh my god. Oh, excuse me.
I thought you was gonna talk first for a second.
It's supposed to be let me get your number.
thought you
I
was
just
doing-
said I'm not talking no more. Just go straight into it when I tap you.
What the hell was I supposed to
Because
know?
I said it.
What's good?
Let me get your number.
No, I'm straight.
I bet.
I'm so weak. I want a cracker.
Just because I got a white girl now, you want a white girl. Here you go.
You talking too much.
Okay, so listen. She cute, ain't she? Yeah. Alright, so I need you to rate him. Rate him first. I know.
5.
5? Yeah, she said a 5. Hey, right here. Just that nigga.
4.
Hey, bro, with the trap on.
Make it deeper.
Damn. All right, Jalen, let her rate you. Jalen, let her rate your upper lip, bro. Here, is the camera? Can you see her? All right, wait. What is
5.
a 4?
5.
Wait, hold up. Wait, hold up. Speak.
He noticed it so late. Wait, hold up.
Say it one more time. Say it one more again.
What, speak
I
one more
don't
time. Wait,
think I
hold
heard
up.
that.
I'm so weak.
Hello? Oh my God. At time. Alright. Rate me 1 to 10.
5.
What are you doing? You're messing up. You
Like, I
have to
can't do
watch.
this whole thing because you gotta
Why?
tap me when you say it.
I said this. I
Yeah,
didn't
you
tap
did,
you.
and you didn't tap me. Yeah,
Exactly. I didn't tap you, so why'd you say 5?
Because I'm trying to figure
No.
out when you're
Okay,
gonna say it.
2 people. Ooh, can I clap them cheeks?
That's a good one, Mark.
Let me see them little titties.
Oh my gosh.
We should have traumatized that kid. We should have traumatized him.
Let me clap them cheeks. It's on my teeth.
So bright.
Shine bright like a...
They usually tell me not to look at the light, but this time I feel like I need to.
What's up?
Let me clap them cheeks.
What the Well, I seen that dude sit massage.
Why?
man.
Why do you keep bringing the camera closer? Get away from me!
I couldn't, cause you... After I tap you, say it like immediately. Don't... Like, cause that's what I'm
Because
doing with my mouth.
I was making sure you like come up front.
Yo, what's up?
Let me clap them cheeks.
How are you?
Fudge.
He
I
heard
couldn't
you.
click the butt.
When you, as soon as you tap me, I'm gonna say it.
That's what I know.
Okay, I'm just making sure we're on the same. Hello.
What?
Yeah, what? He said, what the f... Hold on, let me see.
Hey. I like your hair.
Let me clap them cheeks.
You like that?
What do you say?
You can feel good.
Look, if they say something to compliment me, say thank you.
Mm-hmm.
But make your voice like extra.
What's up?
Let me clap them cheeks.
Looking at it, this is so nice. Not even that bad.
I just waved. You're supposed to say something. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, if I wave, that means hey, okay?
Mm-hmm.
If they say a compliment, say thank you.
What's up? Oh, girl, I like your hair. Oh.
Let me clap them cheeks.
Okay.
Yo, no, you did that wrong.
He said okay.
He remind me of Miles.
Mm-mm.
Yes, he did. Eli, he complimented me. You supposed to say thank you. All right, just keep it at let me clap.
Yeah, cause like I don't.
No.
What's he doing?
I don't think I know. I don't think I want to know. I gotta turn like this so I can't get you in this thing.
Hi. Oh my gosh, girl, you're pretty.
Let me clap them cheeks.
I can't do it to her. What?
You feel me?
What happened? Joke's on us. Joke is on us.
Dude, I'm so weak. Oh my gosh, hi girl, you're pretty. No, let me clap them cheeks. That's what he said.
Joke is on us.
I know.
Mom, it was a dude wearing a wig.
Oh, wow.
Let me clap them cheeks.
I'm looking like a straight meal.
Dang, that's tough. Oh, he said a MILF? Oh,
That's
I know. A single mom. I don't look like a mom. Do I look like a mom? Comment below.
Mama lovely.
Oh, 2 people.
That's actually nice for family. Hold on now. I gotta keep looking at you.
Let me clap them cheeks. You got gut. Let me clap them cheeks.
Damn, that is a whole nigga. I do not know. I don't know who you looking at, but I'm looking at.
Joke's on you.
Nah, she said that is a whole good. Dang, I look like a. That's tough.
Nah, she just gotta put.
You're pretty.
Let me clap them cheeks.
I know what that is. Don't even play. I know what it is.
Oh man. But thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
That voice was kind of deep.
Huh?
That voice was kind of deep.
His voice? Oh, the girl. No, he said yeah.
He said, yeah. Let me clap them cheeks. Let me clap them cheeks. Just keep playing the game.
He said,